In today's video, we're diving into 5 powerful books that can transform your communication skills, helping you become more confident, persuasive, and impactful in conversations. Whether you're looking to build deeper relationships, speak more confidently, or handle tough conversations, these books are packed with actionable insights. Stay tuned till the end for a bonus tip that can take your communication to the next level. Let's get started. First, we have How to Win Friends and Influence People, a book that has sold over 30 million copies worldwide. Dale Carnegie reveals timeless principles to make people like you, win them over to your way of thinking, and handle difficult conversations gracefully. Some key lessons include: become genuinely interested in other people. Smile and use people's names often, because their name is the sweetest sound to them. Talk in terms of other people's interests to capture attention. If you want to build better relationships and influence people positively, this book is your go-to. Second is Crucial Conversations, an essential read for handling high-pressure conversations, at work, at home, or with friends. The authors explain how to communicate effectively when opinions differ, emotions run strong, and stakes are high. Key takeaways include: creating a safe space for dialogue so everyone feels heard. Learning to speak persuasively, not abrasively, even when disagreeing. Focusing on mutual purpose, what both sides ultimately want. If you've ever avoided difficult conversations out of fear or uncertainty, this book will give you the tools to handle them with confidence and care. Third is Never Split the Difference by Voss, a former FBI hostage negotiator. This book brings real-life negotiation tactics into everyday situations, whether you're asking for a raise, making a deal, or resolving a conflict. Key techniques include mirroring, repeating the last few words the other person says to build trust. Labeling, identifying and acknowledging the other person's emotions, like saying, "It seems like you're frustrated." Using calibrated questions like, "How can we make this work?" to encourage collaboration. Voss proves that negotiation isn't about compromise. It's about understanding and influence. A must-read if you want to become a master negotiator in life and business. Number 4 is Talk Like TED by Carmine Gallo, a fantastic guide for anyone wanting to improve public speaking and storytelling. Gallo analyzes what makes TED Talks so captivating and how anyone can use these techniques. Key secrets include storytelling, sharing personal stories that connect emotionally with your audience. The Rule of 3, structuring your message around 3 key points to make it memorable. Delivering with passion and authenticity, because people are drawn to real emotions, whether you're giving a presentation, leading a meeting, or pitching an idea. This book will help you speak with impact and confidence. And finally, The Charisma Myth by Olivia Cabane, a book that debunks the idea that charisma is something you're simply born with. Cabane shows that charisma is a skill you can learn and develop. She breaks it down into 3 components: presence, being fully engaged and focused on the person you're speaking to; power, projecting confidence and competence; warmth, showing kindness and empathy. The book also includes practical exercises to improve body language, voice, and mindset, making you appear more charismatic in any situation, from social events to professional meetings. And now, here's a quick bonus tip. Reading these books is just the beginning. The real magic happens when you practice daily. Try this simple exercise. Pick one technique from any of these books, like mirroring or storytelling, and use it in a conversation today. Practice consistently, and over time, you'll notice a real improvement in how people respond to you. So, which of these books are you most excited to read? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future tips on communication and personal growth. Thank you for watching, and remember, better communication leads to better connections. See you next time.